morning, students. I think you know me well. Who am I? Yes, I am your Nairita ma'am. Now, today we will discuss the topics which were left in chapter 6, that is numbers from 10 to 20. So, what is the name of our chapter? Numbers from 10 to 20. Now, this chapter has been divided into 5 parts. Number 1, writing the numbers from 10 to 20. Number 2, number names from 10 to 20. Number 3, concept of tens and ones. Number 4, before, in between and after. Number 5, comparing numbers. In the previous class of mathematics, these 3 topics have been completed. That is writing the numbers from 10 to 20, number names from 10 to 20 and concept of tens and ones has been completed in your previous mathematics class. Today we will focus on these 2 topics, before, in between and after, and the second topic is comparing numbers. Now coming to our today's first topic, that is before, in between and after. We will understand the concept of before, in between and after one by one. So come, let's understand.
Let's see, what do you mean by before numbers? When we count backwards from a given number, we get the numbers before. Let's count backward the number from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All these are numbers before 7. Where is the ball now? It is on number 3. Which number will you get when you count backward one number? Number 2. Thus, 2 comes before 3. Where is the ball now? It is on number 6. Which number will you get when you count one number backward? Number 5. Thus, 5 comes before 6. Now look at the ball. It is on number 9. Now let us see the immediate 4 numbers that come before 9. They are 8, 7, 6, 5. Numbers that come before are always smaller than the given number. Now I will be showing you a number and you have to find the before number. So let's start the guessing game. Here we have number 3. Can you find the before number? So what number comes before 3? Yes, it's 2 that comes before 3. Here we have number 6. So can you guess what number comes before 6? Yes, it's 5 that comes before 6. Here we have number 15. Can you find the before number? So what number comes before 15? Yes, it's 14 that comes before 15. Now let's learn about between numbers. We have 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 6. You have to find which number comes in between. Between are the numbers which comes in the middle of two numbers. here 5 comes in the middle of 4 and 6. I will be showing you two numbers and you have to find the number which comes between these two numbers. So let's start the guessing game. So we have 2 and 4. Can you guess which number comes between 2 and 4? Yes, it's 3, which comes between 2 and 4. Now, let's see what do you mean by after numbers. When we count forward from a given number, we get the numbers after. Let's count forward the numbers from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these numbers are after 3. Can you see the ball? It is on number 4. Which number will you get when you count forward one number? Number 5. Thus, 5 comes after 4. Where is the ball now? It is on number 8. Which number will you get when you count forward one number? Number 9. Thus, number 9 comes after 8. Now, look at the ball. It is on number 1. Now, let's see which three numbers come after 1. They are 2, 3, 4. The number that comes after are always greater than the given number. Now, I will be showing you a number and you have to find the after number. So, let's start the guessing game. Here we have number 5. Can you find the after number? So, what number comes after 5? Yes, it's 6 that comes after 5. Here we have number 7. Can you find the after number? So, what number comes after 7? Yes, it's 8 that comes after 7. Here we have number 15. Can you guess the number which comes after 15? Yes, it's 16, which comes after 15.
Students, I think you have understood the concept of before, in between and after. Now, I am going to write some questions on the board. You have to answer those questions. Now, what can you see? I have made one blank after the number 12. That means you have to write the number after 12. So, which number comes after 12? Pause the video and try to answer the question because I will write the right answer here. So, pause it, try to give the right answer, then play it and see whether you are right or wrong. So, which number comes after 12? Yes, very good. 13 comes after 12. Now, the next question is, okay, what can you see? I between 17 and 19. So again pause the video, try to give the answer and then play it and check whether you are right or wrong. So which number comes after 17 and which number comes before 19? That is, which number comes between 17 and 19? Very good. It is 18. Now coming to the next question. Our next question is, so what can you see? You can notice that I have made one blank before 40. That means you have to write the number which comes before. So which number comes before? Again pause, then play and say. Okay, so which number comes before 14? Very good. 13 comes before 14. So coming to the second topic, comparing numbers. So let us see how to compare two numbers.
Now our next topic is comparing numbers. We will be using these symbols to compare numbers: greater than, less than and equal to. Here we have two groups of blocks. We need to compare these blocks. The first thing we need to do is to count how many blocks are in one group. On the left side there are 4 blocks and on the right side we have 10 blocks. We need to use one of the 3 symbols to compare these two groups. I am using this symbol, which is like a mouse which is always hungry and wants to eat the biggest number. So, the open side should always face towards the biggest number. Which number is larger? 10. 10 is the larger number. So, this symbol will open towards 10. Now, let's take another example. Here we have 8 blocks on the left and 6 blocks on the right side. So which one is greater? 8 is greater. So the mouth will be opened towards 8. Now, let us learn the concept of equal to. So, count the number of pastries on the left side and count the number of pastries on right side. On the left side, there are 3 pastries and on the right side, there are 3 pastries. That means both are same. So, we will put a equal to symbol between them.
Now from this you have understood how to compare the numbers. Now the number which comes after is always greater than the number which comes before. And the number is always equal to the number itself. Now let us solve these 3 questions. Number 1, 17 and 19. You have to compare between 17 and 19. You have to say which one is greater. You have to see which one is greater and which one is smaller. So 17 comes after 19. Yes? No. 17 doesn't comes after 19. 19 comes after 17. Not just after 17, but it comes after 17. So 19 is greater than 17. Now coming to the second question. 16 and 15. 15 comes after 16. No. Very good. 15 doesn't come after 16. 16 comes after 15. That means 16 is greater than 15. We will put a greater than sign towards 16. Now coming to the third question. You can see here also it is written 13 and here also it is written 13. That means these two are equal. Very good. No one is greater and no one is smaller. These two are equal. So students, today's class is over and I hope you all have understood. Take care and stay safe.